What's up? So, join the party. Join the party. How are you supposed to spectate?
Going to bathroom. I'm in the party.
Okay, so yeah, so Taha, what kit are you using? Because we have to use. Because I'm using.
No kits, so we know you guys' skill.
No, but we
no,
both
so we
use
can
the
decide
same.
who's the best. No
We
kits.
both use the same kit.
It's even no kits, so you guys are both the worst.
We both use farmer.
No. No kits.
Farmer's like no kit.
No kits.
Fine, Taha, equip no kits.
So we can see who's the best once and for all.
Yo, Bedware's added me to the game.
Yeah, Adil's gonna spectate. What's the twist? Oh yeah, me and Taha have no kits. Guys heard that?
To me, disable all kits just in case.
Yeah.
Who's the best? Sumaya. Oh,
Taha, I didn't even pick this map. I put random map.
Who's the best? Sumaya or Tahuta?
No, but Taha, that's good. Now we have 4 gens.
Man, give me admin comment.
No.
Make sure Roblox mixes off.
It is. Taha, we can get beds, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, Adil said yeah.
That's actually. No, me. Oh man. I'm the judge to see if anyone's like, like kickity hat hacking.
Yeah.
Especially Sumaya here. Cause she's the host panel.
Okay, since you can get beds, I might rush. I might rush.
So this is to see who's the best. So do what you do. Oh, Sumaya's getting good. Sumaya, really?
Snake's stupid.
Sumaya, how dumb are you? Sumaya, that's stupid.
Try.
Sumaya, are you dumb? Oh, she's not. Okay, Sumaya is actually smart.
Bro, this was a rushy game. Insane.
Yeah, guys, that's kind of like, the video isn't good like that.
Yeah, we're gonna play best out of 3. Whoever gets 2 wins from 3 matches wins.
Fight bets.
But guys, we'll make it too long.
No, I lagged out. It's okay. Whatever, reset. I'm restarting. Taha, you got the first one.
Point. Taha won and Sumaya.
Shh.
And Zero.
1-0.
Sumaya could have won now. She didn't.
I could have.
She didn't tell the pro. You could have killed him. And then when.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you were done.
No, wait. I accidentally didn't put Taha in a team. Taha, you in orange?
Yep. I'm gonna rush.
Get out. He's such a runner. Let's go.
You're running, you're a track star.
How are you gonna run real fast?
They know me as a wizard. I'm the pepper got some black. So I give her a go with it. Chance coming back. Bang.
Oh shoot.
Now, she a runner.
She a runner, she a track star.
She ran away when I got tired. It's alright.
Just try.
It's alright, it's insane.
Oh my god.
No.
Okay.
I'm totally not using an auto clicker right now.
Tara! Eliminated! Somebody gets to win!
Okay.
I know, this would have been. Somebody, you're actually losing this like crazy.
What in the world? Taha definitely is using an auto clicker. There's no way.
You see, people think I have.
Yeah, no wonder sometimes whenever we join a game, they call you hacker.
Honestly, you don't know what is happening. I killed you like 4 times in a row.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. My fingers are sweaty, that's all.
How is it okay?
Taha, if you're not scared, then come fight me with your emeralds.
Hell no.
It's all scared, man. Oh, Smee,
No, you're scared. Get out! Get out!
Imagine if I killed him, though.
That would be insane.
That would have been insane, though. I just realized I had no armor. No wonder I kept dying.
Not armor. I was not gonna get diamond armor, but then I have to resort to it because why? But then I was like, yeah, okay, why not?
What were you gonna buy then? A diamond sword?
No, I was gonna do nothing. I was just gonna get it. I was just gonna rush your bed.
Oh.
I was planning to rush your bed again this round, but then I was like, nah. Just give up. Give up.
Taha, by the way, we still have a third round. So even if you win this, we still have a third
yeah,
round.
No, you said you were
Yeah, it's best out of 3. So I still have a chance in the third round.
Oh my gosh, who's gonna get this one? Oh.
That was such...
No, you said whoever wins 2 matches first.
No, everyone's free.
It's a best out of 3.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, if Taha wins this, he's officially better.
Taha,
than
go in
Smee.
orange.
And technically, me and Taha have the same amount of good. So technically, if Taha beats you,
No, but then me and you have to do a 1v1.
fine, after me and Smee.
Yeah, after you and Sumaya, and then whoever wins has to 1v1 me.
Yeah, so if you win this round, and Aldo wins the next round, you two have to 1v1. And then that's the real Better Worst champion.
But if you don't win next round, but if you don't win, if you
Taha,
win
if I win this round, then you have 1 point and I have 2 points left to win.
No, that's not true.
Yeah, what?
That doesn't know.
No, if I win this round, then Taha just has to get 1 more point to get 3.
Yeah,
And I have to get 2 more points to get to 3.
yeah.
Oh,
I thought you
okay.
meant to take his points.
No.
Yeah.
What's up, boy? Dance.
That was, I didn't even hit you.
Maybe just died and just snap.
I didn't even hit her. Look, it says she died by the void. I didn't even hit her. What the hell?
Ooh.
How
Smee
did
is
that
coming back.
happen?
My do.
I'm making a comeback.
My do. Bird is right.
Like Taha, he's doing
Guys, my do bird is on the bridge. Guys, get my do bird.
I'll get it, but first I'll kill Sumaya. Actually, Sumaya's gonna get it, and then I'll just kill her for it.
No, she didn't.
And she did not
My
get it.
do bird.
Yeah, just like Taha, do.
Yeah, find personal favorite. The do bird.
I feel like Aldo's having favoritism to Taha.
Yeah, because he got the do bird.
Exactly.
What does my favoritism even do to make this unfair, bro?
Because you're the judge, technically. So what if Taha cheats, and then you say that he didn't because you
How could he
favoritism
even cheat?
him?
He doesn't have post pan. What's he gonna do to cheat?
He's gonna ask Bed Wars owner to give him host
Will he
panel.
think Bed Wars owner knows him?
Yeah. Because Taha knows his ways.
That's
Taha has tricks up his sleeve.
so true.
Taha could know Jandal, bro, and we wouldn't even know.
Yeah, I kind of.
Hey, yo, no. Taha does not know. No, ain't no. Yeah,
Jandal is my friends from school.
Taha, get my doo-doo bird.
Your doodoo bird died when I was attacking Sabayo.
No, boy. So, Baya, want favoritism? You got favoritism. Ooh.
Yeah, yeah.
Taha wins.
That was insane.
Wait.
Taha's better than Samaya. Taha's better than Samaya.
Oh yeah, he won.
Thank
Good job. Okay,
Sorry,
now
Anna.
me and you have to 1v1.
Yeah. Taha's
You know
better than
what's
Samaya.
Taha, I'm resetting. Adil's gonna 1v1 me, and you're gonna
Taha's
spectate.
better than Samaya.
Stop.
Taha's better than Samaya.
Adil, can you stop being so loud?
Taha's better than Samaya.
Bro, let me need more celebration right here.
Stop.
Taha's better than Samaya.
Okay, Adil, join orange.
Guys,
No kit. Don't equip
it's
a
kind
kit.
of insane.
How to put no
Get a
kit?
single-
Let me disable kits.
Okay, come on, start.
It's kind of insane.
Did you?
It's kind of insane how Sumaya didn't even get a single point and I got all 3.
No, I had one.
No, you.
Oh,
got
yeah.
1 point.
Yeah, how did Samaya get 0 points?
I don't know.
That's me.
I
I
bet
got
she is
you.
a do.
Honestly, that's pretty trash. I'm gonna spectate Sumaya for this round because I want to see what she does. Actually, no, half.
Yeah, this one go half. Next round do all me, and then the other round do all Adil.
Look how you only spectate no one. You already know that I'm gonna go Slim Shady mode. Samaya, come here, you fat.
But
It's Yari.
What is this lag? This lag does not like me.
Guys,
Yeah, baby.
if Sumaya wins this round, I'm not gonna 1v1 her again because I already won.
Yeah, exactly. No. If I win this round, there's still 2 more rounds. Well,
No, like if you win against Adel, like actually.
No, I'm not 1v1ing anyone after.
no, because if you win, then you 1v1 Taha.
No. If we're gonna do that, it's from my channel. I already have 4 videos I need to upload from my channel.
You have to upload 4 videos.
Yes, we need to upload
Why?
2 this week. Yeah. Literally, that's Todd.
Oh, I thought you said you have to, you need to record 4 more videos.
No, Todd, probably upload like 100 videos this week, so we don't have to upload again.
Yeah.
Samaya, come here, let's fight.
Wait.
Samaya, you both want to say, oh, okay, you're too scared, let me get you.
I'm currently in the middle of an existential crisis. I don't even know if I said that right.
Man, I was going to the base.
I know.
I know.
I got you.
She's so fat that she doesn't know anything. Samaya, I swear my iPad's closed. Give me, my iPad's closed.
No, that's... No.
Oh, I just realized I don't use swords anymore. Okay. Not a crazy girl. Sumaya's Ruby. Come here.
Who's cooked? Sumaya cooked.
Samaya, give me back my thing. My iPad's closed.
Okay, there's nothing we can do. It's like lagging.
I never said anything about that, Samaya. You just made that rule.
No, we said lagging. It doesn't matter.
Guys, unsubscribe to Samaya because she hates you. She called you guys dumb and ugly.
How do I know what they look like and how they think?
Exactly.
By the way, you guys are definitely, you guys are probably so smart and beautiful.
You guys are so slay, probably.
Slay queens.
Oh, you're not helping my
I'm so
teacher.
cringe. I'm so cringe.
Yes, you are cringe.
No, because Taha doesn't want to let them fans down.
Yeah, exactly. The fans are fans.
Say, I swear you should have seen my screen.
Oh, with emotion.
Stop this hacking.
I'm not hacking, I
Okay,
swear.
I'm lagging. This is so unfair.
We literally said nothing about lagging.
No, you said that. Look at how insulting me. I literally told Todd I do not agree to that. Stop.
Where are you? Oh no. Oh no.
Dad,
Oh my god, that was such a clutch. Ow.
I'm lagging.
Okay, and I'm lagging
Let's
too.
start the game.
I'm lagging too.
Don't care.
Ado, there's still more rounds after this.
Get my badge.
Ado, even if I win this round, you still have a chance to win the other two. I'm lagging. Okay, there we go.
Good.
So are you seriously watching YouTube?
Somebody stop. Get away.
You can get the 2 emeralds that come at mid.
Yeah, exactly. Get out like the big fat girl you are.
Okay, now I can chase you.
I can't tell if Tell was laughing or
I think he did. I think both.
I will go to your personal quick.
Where are you? Bruh.
in the garbage. Stop.
Were you able to put them in your personal?
No.
Yes, you were. I didn't get them.
lied.
Here,
I didn't even
take.
get them.
I put 90 iron for you.
You know what?
Maya, Aldo has iron armor and iron sword like you now, so it's fair. Never mind. Aldo doesn't have iron armor anymore.
How?
I've got my wings. Let's just say I'm kind of money.
Okay, I'm just gonna say it. He has diamond armor.
Me too.
Oh, okay, it's a fair fight.
Sit down, juicy.
You know when I'm fighting Taha, you know since I'm fighting your account, it feels like I'm fighting you.
Aldo, you know the smart thing is you could teleport? Aldo, you know the smart thing is you could teleport up or teleport again? Aldo, when you heal up, I dare you to jump on Smeagol and kill her. Bro. Who's gonna die?
Yeah, but I just forgot I didn't have a bed.
Number 1 out of 3. Let's go. I'm better than you. I'm better than you.
You still have 2 more rounds to win.
Guys,
Yeah.
can I go on somebody random's team just to like watch? Cause it's so boring.
What do you mean?
No, Taha, because then it looks like we're cheating.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. But
No.
like, go to different
Just
teams.
watch.
No, that's what I want. That's what I was thinking. You guys don't listen. Smay, go to other team.
No, I didn't hear you.
Smay, how dare you?
I'm blue.
I want it to be blue. Smay is so...
Okay, switch your teams and put your stuff in the personal, then jump in the void.
Smay, put me in blue. Smay, put me in blue.
How do it's just a color?
I know, but I want to be blue.
Just pretend like you're blue.
Color.
Baby, pardon me. Why you look at me, baby?
Bubble.
Oh, baby, I'm pardon you. Come on. Smee, I lied. Give me my stuff.
How?
Hold on.
No.
I lied.
Fine, I put it somewhere.
Where-
It's in front of my base.
Where?
In front of my base.
I don't see it.
It's in front of my base.
Where?
In front of my base.
I don't see it.
Look.
Where?
Look.
I don't see it. Stop getting hands. That's so unfair.
I'm not.
Tom, show me where it is. You can't get my bed.
I'm not getting ends.
You're getting my bed. No, Sumaya. I was lying.
It's right there in front of my base. You just can't see it.
I don't see it.
In front of my
Sumaya
base.
lost this.
What are you doing in front of your base? Oh my.
No, we're restarting it. It's 1-0. I don't care. This one.
No.
Yes.
Because it was right in front of my base and you couldn't take it?
Yeah, I couldn't see
You're
it.
not even wearing your glasses. That's what. Ow! You guys have it right here. Right here first.
What?
Ado hits his sister.
What?
With her own sleeping mask. Ow, actually, it feels like you're slapping me. With a belt or a flip-flop or something. With a chocolate. So Just stopping me with the chocolate.
I want to be blue.
The chocolate. Okay, you can come to blue. Come to blue. Come to blue.
Guys, so how many points do each of you have?
1-1.
Okay, so this time I'm spectating the apple, which is fine.
And then next, who are you gonna spectate?
His daddy.
Oh yeah, there is still a next round. Next round I'm gonna spectate you only. And then and then I don't know, because somebody could win this round. If somebody could win this round in the next round, so I don't know.
I lag. Get it back.
How did you lag?
I swear.
You're always lagging.
My iPad's closed. I swear to God. I swear. Let me fight first at least.
Okay, well I actually have 4 emeralds now, so.
Let me fight. Let's see if you give me or.
Okay, come fight for it.
After you can do this.
I keeps closing. It's so unfair. My iPad's closing, and my screen is right here.
Where's right here?
Here. This is so unfair. And my screen is in a whole different place.
Where does it say you are?
In mine, I'm right next to my bees.
Actually, you're coming to my.
It says I'm getting emeralds. I'm not.
You are getting emeralds.
I'm not. It's not giving me them.
It is.
Go to get your bed. Oh my God.
That's my bed.
Bro, I can't even put this thing in my personal.
Okay, wait. I'm coming to give you back.
How did you kill me?
I don't know.
It's even fair.
I'm coming to put them stuff in front of your base.
Give me 4 M's. Come on.
I'm gonna give you 2 M's plus
Give me
an
6.
plus
I died with 4 to you, remember?
and almost
And now
50
it's
iron. Take
Now
them.
it's started to- I need 6.
You can try to kill me if you'd like, but like
Give me another
I'm
for
giving
free.
you a chance to go.
Give me another for free.
I'm giving you the chance to go. Run.
Stop. What about the other? Sorry, that's so unfair. I was going back. I jumped in there. You be honest.
Yeah, here. I'm putting them back in front of your base.
I don't see them.
I just put them.
Where?
In front. No.
I got them, so where's my iron?
Your iron was next to it.
Revenge, sweetie.
Revenge, sweetie.
Yeah. Stop. This is
They're
so-
right on top of
Okay,
each.
get all your arms to fight me.
They're right on top of each
Get
other.
all your arms to fight me. Come on. Somebody get all your arms to fight me.
I'll get the new M's from the generator. That's gonna be 4 M's. That's how much M's I have.
I have your upper arms.
No, because these are new from the gen. So it would have been like I just got these. Okay, you ready to fight?
Yes.
Smaya, can you tell Adol that I'm not laughing? He said the next sweetie then
He's
died.
laughing?
No, he's not laughing because of you.
Sweetie.
Why are you laughing? Oh.
He said revenge.
I'm your sister, Ayo. No. I am now.
I'll do more cooks. Oh my God. You better see.
Stop!
Where are you, bro? All of a sudden you're in front of me and the next you're behind me. Like, no, I mean, what?
Oh, Big Mac! Please stop, I'm lagging. I swear my iPad.
Okay, I stopped.
I can't open it. Look.
Open it.
I can't.
I was about to fall in the void. Are you done?
It's only an actual blocks.
I'm waiting. There. Bro.
That didn't count.
Doing back.
Okay, do
It says you're okay there.
Same stuff.
You're doing. Oh no, let's restart the whole thing. Like
Yeah.
it's still 1-1
No, 0-0.
or 0-0.
0-0.
0-0. Oh my god.
My iPad closed. You can even ask me. It was like taking me
Yeah,
back to
yeah.
Roblox.
No, you guys are restarting from 0-0.
Yeah, because Adil's iPad kept closing.
Bro.
I'm bang all the time.
first one to 2 points now.
Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
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 Okay, top fine. It's 1-1. It's 1-1.
It's 1-1. First one to 3. Ow! Ah! Stop it! What are you doing?
Take me in the game.
Bro, it still didn't make me just rejoin yet.
Guys, I'm holding the legs now. Guys, guess how old we are? Guys, guess how old me and May are. So we can't hear you. Miss May's sitting on the phone.
My party so nobody can see.
True, yeah.
So May's being such a big back. Put your legs up, May.
You flew like Superman. Guys, we went and watched the new Superman movie. It slayed like played. It slayed like a player. Horrible. I wasn't that bad.
That was so good.
I also watched them.
That was
Planning
so
to
good.
watch
Your
it.
dad's too young to watch it.
Can you guys stop? Can you guys stop spoiling for me?
Tyler, you're too young.
I'm just saying that it was
Tyler,
good.
Even wait till you're too young to watch it.
How?
Tyler's like 9.
You can't say
I'm 10.
JK. Bruh, guys, actually believe that Tyler's turning 17 tomorrow. JK.
Yeah.
He's turning 17 in what?
Next April.
Uh-huh.
Why am I? Oh, hold on.
JK, bro's turning 14.
JK, bro's turning. Actually, he's
JK,
turning
13,
7.
13.
He's turning 7, guys.
He's 13, we're 15, right, Samaya? Guys, we're lying about our age. All we can say is that we're teens.
Yeah, we're not. We would not like to state our age on the matters of YouTube as it is private for us.
Guys, bro, letting me go on spectator.
I beg you, come on.
Hey, yo.
Guys, we know this isn't the real song.
Why did it love me?
Because I accidentally went on blue team and then it didn't let me go spectate.
I beg you, come on. Come on. Oh, Taha, we beg you, come on. Start the party and make this game work, or else you will die.
Please, you keep saying that I'm gonna make your HP 1.
No, that's cheaters.
Okay, then you have to stop.
Okay.
What the hell, dude? Hold on, I'm gonna start the match and then I'm gonna give myself blacklist and I'll join back as Bro, I tried to kick myself out. Okay, guys, I won't do anything. I'll just spectate.
How? Put yourself a spectator and then kill yourself.
Let me write and tell what I wanted to write.
No, I tried. It didn't let me. It didn't let me.
Oh, shoot.
I tried. Don't worry, I'll just watch it.
I beg you, come here.
I already wrote that.
It's so weird seeing Taha on my team.
What in the... Taha?
What?
It made me die from fall damage.
What? I promise that was not me, boys.
Taha's following me in the little minor
Don't go there. Okay, Samaya. Okay. Samaya, you got my iron. Showing the void.
Yeah, I believe that's so much.
But I was
Come here and give me a big top smooch.
No, because I was already... But I was already low from fighting Taha.
Don't care, that's your fault for fighting him.
Exactly. Why did you try to fight me?
Whose fault is that for even fighting
What
you?
you get?
Okay, no, I'm not playing this game anymore.
Why?
He put me at 1 HP.
Who tried to kill me?
Taha, you can't do that.
Adel, she killed me. She killed me when I just said.
Okay, now.
Because I thought Ada was using your account.
now you can't do it.
Yeah, totally. You literally just said you're at low HP because you were trying to kill Baha.
Yeah, because then I got confused because you said Samaya, you got my iron, throw it in the void.
Jumbanji.
Before that, you said you were low from killing Baha.
No.
I want to kill Smay so badly, but I can only watch.
Unfortunately. For you.
Okay, Smay, if you keep doing that, I'm actually going to make your HP 1, so protect that.
Oh no, because we want to see who the best is.
Okay, then tell her to stop roasting me.
Oh, Smay, you fatty daddy, don't roast it. Bro, I still can't remember what I wanted to write in chat.
It does not letting you
I'm
write?
gonna go ta 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 ta. I beg you, come here. Some emojis.
Oh, why?
Hey, look at my screen right now. See? Smee, look!
I'm just watching. Don't kill me. I'm a spectator. Don't kill me.
Oh, ta 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 ta. I beg you, come here.
Sorry. That was an accident. I'll do your doo-doo bird.
My do bird. Ooh, ooh.
I'll do your doo-doo bird.
Yay, my do bird. Wait, stop. Let me get my do bird. Seriously.
No, but the do bird gives you health, so no.
No! But here's my money. Ah, what's my wife you're talking about?
Your wife? The do bird is a male.
Wait, Smee, let me hit you 3 times because you hit me 3 times.
I was hitting Adam, bro.
You still hit me 3 times.
Tell Smee to stop killing my wife.
Your wife?
My wife.
Tell her stop, please.
Smee, I'm gonna hit you 3 times. That's it. Okay, now I'm gonna stop.
Smee, I'm gonna come get you.
Try to kill me, I'm gonna crash out.
I got my do bird. One do bird, very, very cheap. One do very, very cheap. One do cheap.
Kind of weird how Smee didn't get the do bird.
One do bird, two do bird.
Because I felt bad for Adolf. I don't want to take his wife. Adolf, you never invited me to the wedding.
Yeah, because you're minor.
Oh.
What about me? I was never invited.
Yeah, because
Because people...
Tell me our marriage is after the scam. We're gonna start a custom match for our marriage.
I kind of want to go into a custom match and then just spawn like 1
Please stop my iPad close!
Bruh. Here's 116
I
iron.
want to go into a private match for fun and spawn like 1 million doo-doo birds so Aldo can be in the heaven.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do after this.
I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. That's what Adol's gonna be saying. I'm in heaven. I'm
May
in
come
heaven.
here and find me. And you will.
Who hit me?
Sorry, that was me. Aldo, there's another doo-doo bird. Aldo, I found another doo-doo bird.
Yo, watch my drip.
Aldo, come. I'll bring you to the other doo-doo bird. Come. Look, it's on top of the tree over there. Do you see it?
Let's make this do bird on top of your base. Let me.
No,
No.
not Samia's.
Oh, sticking it together in your bed, you fatty!
Me and Adol looks like we have matching gear.
I ran away from Samia.
get blocked.
So I ran away from Samia like it depended on his life.
I'll buy blocks and then I'll show you the doo-doo bird. Come. Okay, Aldo, do you see the doo-doo bird in front of, on top of that tree?
I'm going to get it.
No, not that tree.
So I'm here later for my wedding. Okay, right now I'm kind of sick of my do bird.
Okay, then why did you go on top of this tree just now?
Oh, I see it. Hi, do bird. I'm scared Samia bows me. Samia, promise you won't bow me.
I'm not bowing anybody. I don't even have a bow. Haha!
I love how tall thank you. I thought Samia, give me 6 arrows right now. You guys have to give me 6 arms. I just started my 6 arms.
Bruh.
Oh, give me.
So
Give me.
do I spawn out those
Yeah,
emeralds?
yeah, you can spawn him 6. Adil, say you swear.
I swear I died 6.
So I'll give him 6.
Let me go back to base real back. So you have to let me go back.
Yeah, I'm letting you. Go back to your base. What are you doing?
Doesn't give it to me.
Dog, give him back.
Stop! No, now you have to give me 8 M stars. Smear drop those.
No, I have 2 emeralds and I'm
Okay,
gonna...
Dog, give me 6. Smear, come here.
I put them in front of my base. You can come take them.
I'll come take your 6 first.
Smear, where's it?
In front of my base.
Let me come to the base and get a teleport.
No, go back. You can teleport to your base and I won't do it.
Seven.
No, it's right there. Okay, you got it. Teleport back to your base. Okay, so now I can kill you since you're getting other emeralds.
No.
Yeah, because you're getting other emeralds.
Bet on it, bet on it. You can bet on me. Oh, baby, baby.
What in the... Are you using like an auto clicker? What? It's just for me? Okay. What in the... I wasn't even walking! What? It didn't even... Okay, there we go. Now it spawns me back.
What? I'm lagging so bad. Am I alive or am I dead?
Me too. I don't have a head. I'm headless.
Am I alive or am I dead?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm alive or dead. There we go.
What's happening?
I don't know.
What? Oh, did I? Oh my god. What? No, say that sword first.
How? I didn't do anything.
I know exactly. Never did I. Toss to give me 8 abs. Then those 8 abs won. 8 plus 2 for teleport. 8 abs, 2 teleport. Toss to give me 14 abs so I can get my 8 abs, my diamond sword, and my teleport back. It's only fair.
You still have your diamond sword. You have an iron sword. You never bought a diamond sword.
I
He
did.
did. What in the... And now I just fell in the void, I think.
Wait, when I bought a diamond sword,
I don't know.
I did so I did. I can smell you can review the footage.
Yeah, Aldo had a diamond sword, bro.
So how much emeralds do I spawn you?
14, so I told you to get my teleport back.
48?
14.
Aldo, you killed me.
Okay, here, I dropped the arms.
Aldo. Wait, stop. Let me-
Wait, I need my 2 emeralds,
I
Aldo.
dropped them.
No, you didn't. I didn't get them.
Not to you in the void.
Why? They're my emeralds.
Okay, I just got that from killing you.
Taha, I also need 2 emeralds.
Stop fighting me like that.
What are you
Here, I
doing?
got you 2 arms.
You're anyways in my base. No,
Here, so I don't need to give anything. I will toss you. How many arms do you have?
I have 5 in total.
How much did he give you?
You gave me 2.
And then I accidentally gave her 3.
No, those 3 I had in my personal chest from earlier.
Okay, weird, because 4.
No, let's fight it out.
No, because I didn't buy back my diamond sword yet.
I didn't kill you with diamond sword.
I fell in the void with it because I lagged out.
Wait, pause.
Guys, be careful not to kill me.
Can you guys go out of my base?
Okay, so buy your diamond sword.
I think, Samay, I'm saying you because I'm doing something right now.
Oh,
on
give
YouTube.
me 4 arms.
Samay, if you hit me one more
Yeah,
time.
sorry. Taha, can you give me 4 M's since I died with my diamond sword from lag?
Okay.
Like, after, can we fight it out for the death?
No, because we still didn't lose our beds.
Yeah, we can get each other's beds.
Samay, don't kill me. I'm trying to do something.
It's okay. But you can't break my oars.
Oh, shit.
No, wait. I'm talking to Taha.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Come here to fight you for death, so why do you do
No, I'm talking to Taha.
Don't worry about it.
What in the... No, you didn't buy back your telepearls, did you?
Oh, I did. Come on.
No, you can't do that.
I did, but lost them, I swear.
Here, Ado, where's your companion? Your wife?
None of your business.
Okay.
I stopped. Are you ready?
No, I can't even move.
Are you ready?
Yeah, but wait, let's get back to full health.
No, because you weren't at full health.
Okay, bingo.
No, what was that? Okay, you win.
No one more games, see.
No, you won.
No,
No, you won.
I did.
Yes.
Adel doesn't have 3 wins.
Adel won.
No, he still doesn't have 3 wins.
He does.
Did you give up?
Yes.
Okay, now let's do the wedding, guys.
Okay, Taha, restart so we can do the wedding. And also give me and Adel 999 emeralds so I can get suited up in my best attire.
You'll have to dress up good.
Yeah.
With your emerald armor. Because I have something interesting
Taha,
happening.
you have to give all of us 999
Something
emeralds.
interesting is gonna happen there.
Hold on. I'm sure going around to team.
We have
Go get me Skittles sometime. Go get me Skittles. Come on. Here, go get me Skittles. No, can you go get? Then come on.
Well, I get suited in my best
Either you get
attire.
or I come.
Just while I get...
I'll make you.
No!
Then come
Because
with
they're
me.
your Skittles.
It's either you come or you come or you
Fine.
get myself. You're coming or you're getting.
Yes. Taha, let Adel be in blue.
Yeah, I could go in blue though because I have to spawn the do birds. So I have to be in a team.
I know, like me and you in the same team and Adel in a different team.
Okay, but we're not killing each other, you humans. Todd, join my team. Todd, I want you to be mine.
No, because Adel...
No, because Todd.
Okay, Taha.
No, Sweet, go get me. No,
Adel, go on a team.
Okay, Sweet, go get me.
No, I don't want to.
Too bad.
The video's
you
on.
You just said you would.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. It's either you come or you go.
I didn't.
Let's see the video. Let's review. Let's review what you said. Go get me. Review.
I can't. I'm not going to export a 47-minute video.
You don't have to export it. Just go to photos. Alright.